Hi guys, I'm here our backyard garden. I'm here to share my archery practice using this Kamagong Takedown Recurved bow. So gawa po ito sa Kamagong. DIY lang po to. Pagkagawa dito sa bow na to. Okay. It's made of pure Kamagong from scrap wood in a furniture shop. I'm going to use this Kamagong, one of its kind, bow. So you can see the power. You will see the power of this Kamagong bow when I try to hit my target. So we're going to use this Takedown Recurved bow made of Kamagong, pure Kamagong. So recurve po yan, laminated. DIY. Ginawa ko po yan. Okay, and gagamitin naman po nating arrow ay meron din po akong DIY arrow pero hindi na po natin gagamitin ngayon. Made of tangile, but today we're going to use this arrow from Decathlon. Yan. So you will see the power of this recurve bow. Going to hit the small circle with an X. So that's the arrow. I have a great backstop here. Trees and trees, and have this concrete wall. Another tree and a concrete wall. That's my backstop for the arrow. Just in case it penetrated the board and series of nets. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa subscriber ng Rolly Marasigan Reyes, pakiclick lang po yung subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.